It's a cloudy evening on December 3rd, 2021, and we're at the Huckleberry Railroad outside of Flint, Michigan. Tonight, we will be watching the Huckleberry Railroad's Christmas train as it goes along their main line. Our first stop of the evening was just east of their loading platform. Here, Huckleberry Railroad number 152 thunders out of the station. The Huckleberry Railroad is a narrow-gauge tourist operation that was built on the former right-of-way of a Chesapeake and Ohio branch line. The railroad now utilizes a pair of narrow-gauge steam engines, former Rio Grande 464 and former Alaska Railroad 152. 464 is down for a rebuild, so former Alaska Railroad 152 is the main steam power for the railroad. At the east turning loop, the train makes its way upgrade and around the loop. They'll pass some Christmas light displays as 152 puts on a show. .152 was built in 1920 for the Alaska Railroad and United States government. After being retired, this 460 locomotive was sold to Genesee County in 1975 for use alongside the Rio Grande 464. The rolling stock at the Huckleberry Railroad is a mix of former Rio Grande coaches, East Broadtop coaches, and a number of coaches that have been custom built or rebuilt. On the next trip, we would catch the smartly decorated train passing a light display at North Genesee Road, where they cross the road at grade. Our final shot of the evening would be of the 152 coming along the west turning loop. Here, the train passes a light display which depicts the 152 and a passenger car. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, consider subscribing. Have a happy holiday and safe new year for 2021 into 2022.